The mission and vision of Yeniçağ Veterinary Ecza and its research company, Prof Research. It's to produce innovative, cutting-edge, tailor-made formulations that deliver fast results. Why? Now, animals aren't like humans. When I get sick, I know I'll feel better after the third dose of antibiotics. Or that 2 days after surgery, I can go home and everything will return to normal. But animals aren't like that. When animals are in pain or really sick, even if it's something as simple as a severe gas cramp, which isn't life-threatening but is still painful, their instincts are all about protecting the herd. So if a sick animal dies close to the herd, other predators might come and threaten the rest of the group, which is why they tend to go off to a corner and die alone. In my personal experience, I interpret this as shutting oneself off. Therefore, in veterinary medicine and veterinary healing, the importance of rapid treatment, accurate diagnosis, and starting treatment as soon as possible is even more valuable than in human medicine. At this point, our philosophy is to strive for better and newer every day, which we can sum up as Kaizen. There is no such thing as the best. Being able to create something better, to provide very rapid treatments, to use accurate, targeted, address-based drug delivery technologies, and to protect active ingredients by coding them properly. In the future, even more advanced, intricate molecular level processes, which are currently being extensively researched within our cutting-edge research laboratories, innovative molecular treatments and sophisticated processes are continuously ongoing. So, in fact, our fundamental goal is to actively support overall human health, starting right from the molecular level, to diligently protect the well-being of the entire organism, that is, life itself, and, if there is a specific disease, to provide a truly holistic and rapid treatment approach. For this significant purpose, we are diligently working with a very large and dedicated R&D team. We have projections for the next 4 or 5 years. The work is ongoing, but there is one thing we never give up on: quality and standardization. To give a simple example, almost every product contains glucosamine, but the consumer can't know which type of glucosamine actually adheres to the tissue and provides real support. We can only determine this through laboratory analyses, which we call specs. In our R&D processes, when designing a product, we first conduct raw material analyses, and then we study its effectiveness in tissue, that is, through in vitro studies. This takes quite a long time. After that, the components are combined, and whether they are compatible and enhance each other's effects is again determined through laboratory studies. Then clinical studies are conducted, and after that, the product development process begins. Stability tests, bottling, and ensuring the right material compatibility, for example. The product is released to the market. Is it finished? No. From time to time, products are collected from different regions of Turkey and under various temperature conditions, and the product's effectiveness continues to be tested. Again, the purity and quality of the raw materials are more valuable than anything else. I especially want to emphasize this point. For example, the jilaburu we use in our urinary products. As you know, it's a medicinal plant unique to Kayseri and quite rich. But is every jilaburu the same? Is every garden, every harvest the same? We also conduct serious monitoring in this area. For example, about a week before the jilaburu harvest, we randomly collect products from the garden, subject them to extraction, and check the metabolite levels with HPLC analyses. It's very important that the 17 or so metabolites inside are at the same level, so that the plant and the extract are of the same quality. If that's the case, we close off the garden, harvest all the product, prepare the extract, and move it to storage. We use that throughout the year. Therefore, many crucial and interconnected factors, such as the inherent purity of a raw material, its vital potency, which precisely defines its strength or overall effectiveness, its essential stability, meaning exactly how long it can reliably last on the shelf, and its comprehensive distribution network, all profoundly affect its ultimate clinical success. In other words, supplement products truly require just as much careful attention, extensive R&D, and rigorous science as pharmaceutical products do, because each one is used in living beings, and every life is precious. With this profound awareness, truly knowing that life itself is the most precious and greatest gift bestowed upon us, we meticulously continue our extensive research and development processes with utmost care, a robust scientific foundation, and an unwavering commitment to never compromising on the exceptional quality of our work.